are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, brake assist, rear head airbag, passenger vanity mirror, pass-through rear seat, steel wheels, split bench seat, vinyl seats, tires rear all season, tires front all season, rear bench seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.